Hello, I'm Julie Ann. I am bringing you SAT challenge number 2. It is on a word choice question, the reading and writing section of the digital SAT. Can a DT answer a word choice question correctly in under 40 seconds? To accomplish this task, she will need to underline keywords, generate an original response, as well as make the right choice. Let's take a quick look at the question first. The question is asking the reader to describe the modes of public transport. We have blank modes of public transport. So we're looking at an adjective to describe modes or types of public transport or the types of vehicles that people are using to get around town. They're described here as hanging upside down and sliding into canals. They're also represented as sleds, tricycles, and toboggans. So if we're looking for our own words that would describe this type of vehicle, it would be something that's strange or unusual, but the text is fun and adventurous. So we do want a word that has a positive sense to it, a positive connotation. If we look at the answer choices here, we're going to find only one that means unusual, but in a positive way. Can you tell which one of these words is the right choice? Let's look at Aditi's process in tackling this question. She is not beginning with the answer blank. She's beginning with the reading of the text, which is fine. She is reading it all pretty slowly and deliberately, which is also fine. My question is she spending too much time getting through the basics of the text? Let's look at Aditi's keywords here. She has found sleds, tricycles, and toboggans. So we are looking at varied. She has generated a correct answer, strange modes or weird modes. Her underline of beloved by locals would indicate that it is a positive description. And so here she crosses off typical because it's outside of the discussion, but she is looking for a more positive word. Dangerous here is on the negative side for sure. So she did a good job of crossing that out. She's sort of stuck between unique and mysterious for a minute, but she does choose unique, which is the right answer. How did Aditi do on challenge number 2? She did get the right answer, which was unique. In under 40 seconds, not quite. She was at about 112 seconds. She did a great job at finding the correct answer for sure, and also in generating her own response. Reading more often for keywords, thinking about positive and negative connotations might be able to shave off some of that extra time. Thank you, Aditi from Isla, New Jersey, for letting me use her screencast. And thank you, Ronan O'Connell, for the modeling correctness in the Article 10 of the world's quirkiest forms of public transport. You can find this in Scientific American. Can you answer an SAT word choice question correctly in under 40 seconds? Pause this video and give it a try. Share a screencast of your answering process, and I'll critique it for free. Copy the question at my website, mastertheexam.weebly.com, and you can send it to the address below. Did this tutorial work for you? Post a comment, throw me a like, subscribe for more. I could use the feedback. Thank you for watching.